Okay, so good afternoon, student. In our yesterday's lecture, uh, we read up to this paragraph that Nelson Mandela regret and he remembered freedom fighters. Okay, he regret and he remembered freedom fighter. Why he regret? What do you mean by regret? Regret means पछतावा होना. कोई चीज के लिए मतलब रिपेंटेंस. अनदर वर्ड फॉर द सेम इज रिपेंटेंस. उसको रिपेंटेंस भी बोलते हैं. सो नेल्सन मंडेला he repented for the activity that some of the freedom fighters they lost their lives for country's sake. For South Africa's sake, some of the people they lost their lives. So regret होता है. And by that way thousands of people, means these thousands of people they lost their life for their country, and that's why Nelson Mandela regretted. Okay, so till this we have seen page number. Yes. So, dear students, till this we learned that Nelson Mandela regrets. Okay, regrets means repented, and he remembered all the freedom fighters, those who sacrificed their lives for South Africa's independence. Okay, so that was auspicious day. Auspicious day. It means some holy day, some sacred day. And Nelson Mandela, he regret that thousands of people they lost their lives. They lost their life only means they lost their lives for South Africa's sake. Okay, for getting independence, for means giving independence to South African people, for liberty to South African people, and that's why they regretted. Okay, then next slide means we have seen till this that means unimaginable. You can open page number 20 of the textbook, paragraph number 2, that is over, but we will repeat from paragraph 2. So now the day had come about through unimaginable sacrifices of thousands of my people. So again, Nelson Mandela remember sacrifices of those thousands of people, sufferings of those people, and courage so that cannot be repaid, means they cannot repay anything back for these people, because these people they lost their lives. Okay, and so it is not possible for the present South African people to give them something as a part of their sacrifice. Okay, so he said the courage can never be counted or repaid. So their courage that cannot be counted, that cannot be repaid. Okay, so here I felt that day as I have shown many other days that I was simply the sum of all those African patriots who had gone before me. So he remembered, he recalled so many patriots. Okay, so means those patriots who had gone before me, it means they sacrificed their lives before Nelson Mandela. Okay, so that long and noble line ended and now began again with me. So that long line, that noble line that was ended and again began with me. I was I was penned that I was not able to thank them, and they were not able to see what their sacrifices had brought. Brought, it means here achieve. Okay, so what he said that now means they were not here to see that because of their sacrifices now South Africa can enjoy liberty. South African people, South African blacks, now they can enjoy their liberty, enjoy their freedom, and that is only because of the sacrifices of these patriots. With this paragraph ended. We will move to next slide. What he see then? The policy of apartheid created a deep and lasting wound in my country and my people. Okay. So, means what he say that this policy of apartheid. What do you mean by apartheid, dear students? Apartheid, it means discrimination between blacks and whites. That is known as apartheid. Okay. So, policy of apartheid created deep and lasting wound in my country and my people. Okay. So, it created deep and lasting wound. Okay, deep and lasting wound, it means what? Such a kind of wound that cannot be filled. ऐसा जख्म जो भरा नहीं जाएगा. So that is known as deep and lasting wound. Okay. All of us will spend many years, if not generations, recovering from profound hurt. All of us will now spend many years. So all of us now spend many years. So many years they will spend now. Okay. If not generations recovering from the profound hurt. So whatever means pains they had taken, whatever regret they had taken, whatever sorrow they tolerated. So all these things means they will not forget. It is not possible for them to forget whatever happened to them in South Africa. Okay, साउथ अफ्रीकन ब्लैक्स बोल रहे कि जो मतलब एट्रोसिटीज उनके साथ हुई, जो ऑपरेशंस उनके साथ हुए, तो ऐसे ऑपरेशंस, ऐसी एट्रोसिटीज इतने जल्दी भर के नहीं निकलेगी. ओके, सो मीन्स इतना मतलब पॉसिबल नहीं है कि मीन्स very soon it will be possible for them to forget atrocities. Okay, so atrocities उनके साथ हुआ, जो मतलब उनको जो hurt हुआ, जो pains हुए, so means deep and strongly, मतलब जो जिन्होंने वो suffer किया, so means it is not possible to forget it. ये easy नहीं है, but the decades of operations and brutality had another unintended effect. Okay, so many decades means they for so many decades means all these peoples they tolerated atrocities, brutality, मतलब जुलुम, जबरदस्ती सब उन्होंने सहा. Okay, unintended, it means what? Unintended, it means not purpose, sometimes purposefully, sometimes not purposefully. So unintended, it means means without any purpose, sometimes means without any, what you can say, meaning, sometimes they had to suffer. कभी कभी बिना कोई मीनिंग से भी उनको सफर करना पड़ा, कभी कभी बहुत तकलीफ हुई. इफेक्ट, एंड दैट वाज दैट it produced the Oliver Tabus and the Walter Sissulus, the Chief Luthulis and the Yusuf Dadus and the Bram Fiskers, the Robert Sobquist of our time, men of such extraordinary courage. Then he take examples of 6 people. Okay, he take examples of 6 people. ये 6 लोगों का example दिया है, जैसे Oliver Tabu, Walter Sissulus, then Chief Luthulis, Yusuf Dados, and Bram Fiskers, and Robert Sobukvis. So these are have these people means they were having such an extraordinary courage, wisdom. They were having extraordinary wisdom and generosity. Generosity, it means kindness. Okay, these people are having extraordinary courage, wisdom, and generosity that means their like may never be known again. So means such a people will not be again seen on earth. ऐसे लोग वापस दुनिया में नहीं आएंगे. Perhaps it requires such a depths of operation to create such a heights of character. What he said, underline this line, perhaps it requires such a depths of operation. मतलब इतना जुल्म सहन करना पड़ता है तभी ऐसे कैरेक्टर तैयार होते हैं। इट इज सेड दैट गोल्ड को जितना आप तपाओ, जितना हिट करो गोल्ड को, उतना वो चमकेगा। गोल्ड को जितना आप हिट में रखो उतना वो चमकेगा। वैसे ही किसी कैरेक्टर को इतना सताया गया साउथ अफ्रीका में। ऑल दिस 6 people, दे टॉलरेटेड सो मेनी क्रुएल्टीज, so many brutalities by the white people, and so that such a characters they could be the part of South Africa, फिर वो साउथ अफ्रीका के पार्ट बन पाए। My country is rich in minerals and gems that lie beneath its soil. Every one of us know that South Africa is rich in minerals and gems. Gems, that is precious metals, precious stones, and minerals. Which mineral is found more in South Africa? That is gold. Johannesburg is capital and it is known for gold mine. जोहान्सबर्ग कैपिटल है साउथ अफ्रीका का और गोल्ड माइन के लिए वो फेमस है। ओके, तो सॉइल के नीचे जो छुपे हुए मिनरल्स है, जो जेम्स है, उसके लिए फेमस है। बट आई हैव ऑलवेज नोन दैट इट्स द ग्रेटेस्ट वेल्थ इज इट्स पीपल। बट साउथ अफ्रीका की ग्रेट वेल्थ क्या है? द पीपल ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका इज ग्रेट वेल्थ ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका। तो फाइनर एंड ट्रूअर देन द प्योरेस्ट डायमंड, प्योर डायमंड से भी फाइन और ट्रूथ, सच्चे लोग साउथ अफ्रीका में है, एंड दैट इज द रियल वेल्थ। ओके, सो रियल वेल्थ ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका इज द पीपल ऑफ साउथ अफ्रीका। ओके, यहाँ तक समझा बेटा? कोई डाउट है किसी को? एनीबडी इज हैविंग एनी डाउट टिल दिस? You can post your doubt, you can ask by unmuting. Students reply. ओके ओके, सो ये समझना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी होता है और आप सबको समझ रहा है, दैट इज द ग्रेटेस्ट थिंग। ओके, आगे देखो, पेज नंबर 21, पैराग्राफ नंबर 2। इट इज फ्रॉम दीज कॉमरेड्स इन द स्ट्रगल दैट आई लर्न द मीनिंग ऑफ करेज। ओके, so here what he said, it is from these comrades, comrades means people, so from these people in the struggle that I learned the meaning of courage. So because of these people, because of these comrades, Nelson Mandela learn what courage is. Courage क्या है ये इन लोगों से सीखा। Time and again I have seen men and women risk and give their lives for an idea. What he say, that men and women, they sacrificed their lives. Okay, they sacrificed their lives because of South Africa's sake. Okay, sacrificed their lives for South African people. Okay, so there are so many men and women, they sacrificed their lives. What he said, I have seen men stand up to attacks and torture without breaking. So means men, they stood up there and they were waiting for the attack, that no worry, means they can attack. Okay, white people can attack them, showering a strength and resilience that defies the imagination. Resilience, underline the word resilience. It is given the ability to deal with any kind of hardship, means they were prepared, they were prepared that they can tolerate any kind of hardship and they can recover from that hardship also. That is resilience. Okay, sorry, resilience. Okay, so I have seen men that stand up to attack and torture without breaking. So many people without breaking down, they were means ready to tolerate the attack. Okay, they were ready to bear that attack that we have seen. Okay, then again, means showing strength and resilience. They show that strength and resilience, that they will be okay after, they will recover after that attack, and defies the imagination, and defies the imagination, that they defies the imagination of people. So it means what? That unintended, that is not thought of, that I told you, underline the word defies, that is it cannot be explained. Unexplainable. Defies, it means unexplainable. So unexplainable imagination means with that they were ready to bear everything, every brutality. कोई भी जुल्म सहने को वो तैयार थे. Means they fought their battle of liberty, their fight of independence on the lines of Mahatma Gandhi's non-violence method. वो इतना सब कुछ क्यों सह रहे? क्योंकि they believe in the idea of non-violence, and because of this non-violence, all of them they were ready कि मारो कितना मारना है, that will be healed. I learned that courage was not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. Courage means क्या? That is triumph over all the hardships. सभी hardship को जीत लेना. That is absence of fear. हमें डर नहीं है. क्या जान ही जाएगी, दूसरा क्या जाएगा? What is the thing? The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid. जो brave person है वो डर गया तो मतलब the brave man is not he who does not feel afraid. Brave means what? He should not afraid. He should not have fear in the mind. But he who conquers that fear, he conquers, he triumphs over the fear. जीत लिया fear को, जिसने जीत लिया, that is the brave person. You see next paragraph. No one is born hating another person because of the color of his skin or his background or his religion. See, this is the true line. So no one is born hating another person because of the color of the skin. Skin का color देख के किसी को hatred क्यों करना? Okay, उसका background देख के, उसका religion देख के, why should we hate people? हमने hatred क्यों करना है? Is it in your hand? ये तुम्हारे हाथ में है कि आप skin color कौन सा चाहिए आपको? आपका रिलीजन, आप एट द टाइम ऑफ बर्थ रिलीजन चूज कर सकते हो, स्किन कलर चूज कर सकते हो, पेरेंट्स चूज कर सकते हो कि हमें ये पेरेंट्स नहीं चाहिए, इन पेरेंट्स के साथ में हमें जाना चाहिए था. So that is not in our hand, that is not in your hand, so that is not in anybody's hand. Then why there should be means such a kind of discrimination on the basis of color of skin, religion, background? Why it should be? See, this is the true philosophy of Nelson Mandela. नेल्सन मंडेला की सच्ची फिलोसॉफी है ये कि स्किन कलर को लेकर, रिलीजन को लेकर, या फिर किसी के बैकग्राउंड को लेकर, मीन्स व्हाई शुड वी हेट पीपल, मतलब उसको हेट क्यों किया जाना चाहिए? पीपल मस्ट लर्न टू हेट. इफ दे कैन लर्न टू हेट, दे कैन बी टॉट टू लव. ठीक है, हेट्रेड करना सीखो. व्हेन यू लर्न हाउ टू हेट, देन यू विल लर्न हाउ टू लव. For love comes naturally to human heart than its opposite, because these are two opposite things. When you learn to hate, then you learn to love. So it is the opposite. It comes in human heart naturally, and so that when you are hating others, so it means you are having opposite side in your heart, that you also are ready to love the person. Even in the grimmest time, grim it means serious time. Serious times in prison, when my comrades and I were pushed over limits, I would see a glimmer of humanity in one of the guards. What he said, Nelson Mandela was arrested for, whatever he did for liberating people, so that he was arrested. Usko arrest kiya tha. Till 29 years he was in jail. 29 years तक मंडेला जेल में रहे थे. Okay, so what he said कि मतलब जब मैं प्रिजन में था, प्रिजन मीन्स जेल, जब मैं जेल में था, when my comrades means companions, साथी, friends, and I were pushed over limits, मतलब उनको इतना मारा जाता था कि पेन मतलब सहन करने के वो लिमिट के बाहर, I would see a glimmer of humanity. Glimmer it means what? A shine. Humanity का एक shine एक guard में देखा. One of the guard, he was very much merciful to Nelson Mandela and team. Perhaps just be for a second, but it was enough to reassure me, keep me going on. Okay. So means what he said कि मतलब एक सेकंड के लिए क्यों ना हो, तो ये जो ग्लिमर है, तो इसमें मतलब मर्सी का एक झलक दिखा, काइंडनेस इसको दिखा नेल्सन मंडेला को, एंड इट मीन्स ऑल दीज पीपल means they can feel love for these black colored people. Man's goodness is a flame that can be hidden but never extinguished. So इंसान का जो goodness है, it is a kind of flame. ओके, वो छुपा सकते हो बट नेवर एक्सटिंग्विश, एक्सटिंग्विश उसको बुझा नहीं सकते। फ्लेम मतलब क्या, एक ज्योत है, वो एक ज्वाला है। सो दैट कैन बी हिडन, उसको मतलब जो आप छुपा के रखो बट इट कैनॉट बी एक्सटिंग्विश, बट एक्सटिंग्विश पुट आउट, खत्म करना, बुझाना, वो बुझा नहीं सकते। सी नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ बेटा, इन माई लाइफ एवरी मैन हैज ट्विन ऑब्लिगेशन, हर एक इंसान को ये दो ऑब्लिगेशन है। इन माई लाइफ एवरी मैन हैज ट्विन ऑब्लिगेशन, obligation here it means compulsion, okay, so duties, compulsory duties, दो obligations, दो duties हर एक इंसान ने निभानी चाहिए। what is that, obligation of his family, to his parents, to his wife and children, फैमिली के प्रति अपनी ड्यूटीज कंप्लीट करो। पेरेंट्स अगर आपके लिए मतलब बहुत कुछ कर रहे हैं, इट इज योर ड्यूटी दैट यू शुड नॉट हर्ट योर पेरेंट्स। टू हिज वाइफ एंड चिल्ड्रन के प्रति अपनी ड्यूटी, एंड हैज एन ऑब्लिगेशन टू हिज पीपल, ओके, कम्युनिटी एंड हिज कंट्री, और कंट्री के प्रति दूसरी ड्यूटी। ओके, so these are twin duties of man, these are two duties of man, एक for his family and second for his country के लिए। इन अ सिविल और ह्यूमन सोसाइटी, सो ये ह्यूमन सोसाइटी में या सिविलाइज सोसाइटी में, सिविल सोसाइटी मतलब क्या, सुसंस्कारी अच्छी सोसाइटी, ओके, सिविल सोसाइटी इट मीन्स एक अच्छी सोसाइटी, सुसंस्कारी सोसाइटी, ईच मैन इज एबल टू फुलफिल दोज ऑब्लिगेशन, सो हर कोई इंसान ये ऑब्लिगेशन, ये ड्यूटीज फुलफिल करेगा अकॉर्डिंग टू हिज ओन इंक्लाइनेशन। इंक्लाइनेशन मतलब क्या, नेचुरल टेंडेंसीज, बिहेवियर एंड एबिलिटीज, उसके नेचुरल टेंडेंसीज, उसके बिहेवियर्स, उसकी एबिलिटीज के हिसाब से एवरीबडी इज ट्राइंग हिज बेस्ट टू फुलफिल हिज ड्यूटीज। But in a country like South Africa, it was almost impossible for a man of my birth and color to fulfill both those obligations. But what he said, that in country like South Africa, where there is color discrimination, where there is racial discrimination, तो ऐसे रेशियल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन में, कलर डिस्क्रिमिनेशन में, मतलब मेरे जैसा इंसान दोनों ड्यूटीज निभा नहीं पाएगा, दोनों ड्यूटीज फुलफिल नहीं कर पाएगा। इन साउथ अफ्रीका, मैन of color who attempt to live as a human being was punished and isolated, क्योंकि जिसने as a human being रहने की कोशिश की उसको पनिश किया जाता था, आइसोलेटेड, क्वारंटाइन कर दिया जाता था। now everybody is means very much aware of the word quarantine, and so that without using the word isolation, I would like to use quarantine to means understand you in better manner कि साउथ अफ्रीका में जिस इंसान ने, जिस ब्लैक इंसान ने ह्यूमन बीइंग जैसे रहना स्टार्ट किया, so the person was punished and isolated. In South Africa, a man who tried to fulfill his duty to his people was inevitably ripped from his family. तो जो इंसान ने फैमिली के प्रति ड्यूटीज निभाना स्टार्ट किया तो उसको फैमिली से रिप फ्रॉम हिज फैमिली। पेज नंबर 22 का पैराग्राफ नंबर 1 पढ़ रहे। सो रिप इट मींस टेकन अवे फ्रॉम हिज फैमिली, फैमिली से दूर कर दिया जाता था। होम, ही वाज रिप, he was get rid of means he was made to get rid of his family and home and was forced to live a life apart, अकेले लाइफ जीने पर मजबूर किया जाता था। A twilight existence of secrecy and rebellion. Okay, so what he said ahead, that is a twilight existence. Twilight it means a little life. Here twilight it means a little life. So very little life of secrecy and rebellion. Perhaps मार मार के वहां उसकी जान ही निकाल दे, आइसोलेशन में, सेपरेशन में। I did not in the beginning choose to place my people above my family. सबसे पहले बोले फैमिली को मैंने इंपॉर्टेंस दिया। He don't want that family should suffer a lot. So but in attempting to serve my people, कि मतलब attempting to serve my people, I found that I was prevented from fulfilling my obligation as a son, brother, a father and husband. So then he said, then he tried. At first, he did not want that his family should suffer because of his activities. But when he understood that when he was attempting to serve his people, so I found that, means he found that, so he was not able to fulfill his duties as a son, as a brother, as a father, and as a husband. Okay, then he was made to serve a duty only for as a countryman. ओके, सिर्फ एक कंट्रीमैन बोलकर ड्यूटीज निभा पाया. एज अ ब्रदर, एज अ सन, एज अ फादर, एज अ हस्बैंड, ड्यूटीज वो निभा नहीं पाया. So goodness and duties of a man means, although these are two important things, but still he said that he could not fulfill those duties as a person. As a person वो fulfill नहीं कर पाया. Okay, so we can see page number 22, last paragraph. I was not, sorry, second paragraph. I was not born with hunger to be free. Means what he said at the time of birth, मतलब freedom पाना है, free रहना है, इस hunger के साथ वो born नहीं हुआ. I was born free, free in every way that I could know. Just what he said, that means just he wanted to be free in every way, free to run in the fields. Okay, what he said, free to run in the fields. So what he said, free to run in the fields. What is the meaning of freedom as per Nelson Mandela? He said, so free to run in the fields near my mother's hut, where his mother was living, near his mother's hut, he used to run freely. That is means freedom. Okay. Then free to swim in the clear stream. Okay. Now he wanted to swim in that clear stream. Then that ran through my village. That stream was running through his village. Free to roast millies under the stars. Okay. Free to roast millies under the stars. It means what? See, the meaning of millies, it means a kind of meat. It is a kind of meat. So he wanted to roast that millies under the stars and ride the broad backs of slow moving bulls. And even he wanted to sit at the back of slow moving bulls. As long as I obey my father and abide by the custom of my tribe, I was not troubled by laws of man or God. So what he said, so as long as he used to obey his father, he was abide by customs of his tribe. Customs, it means some traditions of the tribe. So till that time, he was not troubled that there should be any law for a man, any law of God. There should be any law for man or any law for God. So that is the thing. Okay. So in that case, means what he said, what he used to say, that meaning of freedom as a kid, it means to be free to run in fields, wanted to stay out at night, sit at the back of bull, then swim in the clear stream. So whatever he want to do, he is free to do. That is the meaning of freedom as per Nelson Mandela. Okay. So, but it was only when I began. Okay. See, I will show you the pic of Nelson Mandela. Okay. And on 2013, this great personality passes away. Okay. And 1918, that is his birth. So this Nelson Mandela. So here, what he said, that means freedom, it means it is having very different meaning for him when he was as a child. So as a child, freedom, it means very different meaning that he was having, but now he understood the meaning of real freedom. Okay, that we will discuss in tomorrow's lecture. Okay, beta. See, till now, if anybody is having any doubt, you can free to ask me the doubt. Okay.